Hello, I'm Jocelyn with Sunshine Therapeutics and the Voyage to Heal. This week's weekly thought is about the fire-breathing dragon in all of us and the connection between the breath and the sacrum. The sacrum is the very end of your spine, this area where my hand is here, and the tailbone is the tip of my finger. When you breathe, you can actually stretch that sacrum and it can pop out. But that's not going to happen if that fire-breathing dragon is awoken inside of you and you are in fight, flight, or freeze. Because at that point, that area is going to curl under and you're going to be able to breathe fire because you're in fight, flight, or freeze. Once that stimuli has quieted down, we want to let the body know that it can be at rest and that fire-breathing dragon can quiet down. So we're going to use our breath to stretch this sacral area. This may be tricky at first if this area is really tight. So before we stretch it, I want you to take this area as if you had to go to the bathroom, and I want you to squeeze everything. And now soften it. And squeeze everything, feeling that. And notice your breath. When you squeeze, you don't breathe. Now breathe in. Exhale, let it be soft. Now I want you to push out, almost like you were having a bowel movement, okay? Push out. Feel that sacrum and tailbone as if it was going pop like this. Pop like that. Now join that with your breath. Breathe in. Hold it for 5 seconds, feeling that tailbone and that sacrum more puffing out. And now exhale. Feel it soften. Breathe in, feeling it puff out. Exhale and soften. That's what we want to do to stretch that sacrum. It doesn't always have to be a big movement of your whole body. It can just be your breath, straightening out the tailbone and sacrum and then softening it. See how that does in order to help you along your voyage to heal and finding that inner peace. Godspeed on your voyage to heal. And for more information and more blog posts, visit sunshinetherapeutics.com. Bye.